Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to upgrade to Spotify Premium. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Spotify mobile application and you have to click on the settings on the right top, and now you have to scroll up and on the bottom you will see Sport option. So you have to click on it and it will redirect you to the browser. So click on the just once and you will see sport.spotify.com is here, and here you have to log into your Spotify account again, and here you will see three lines on the right top again, and here you will see premium option. Click on it. Once you will do it, here you will see get 3 months free, and below that you will see plan. So you have to select any plan and you can purchase it through your sim balance simply. So this is the procedure. Select the plan and purchase it. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.